In the world of workplace safety, exit routes stand as a critical element in safeguarding the well-being of individuals during emergencies. Exit routes, in essence, are designated pathways strategically planned to facilitate a swift and secure evacuation during emergencies, such as fires, natural disasters, or other unforeseen incidents. These routes are carefully designed to lead individuals from various locations within a building to a place of safety, typically outside the premises. Understanding the significance of exit routes is very important, as they serve as lifelines in critical moments, providing a clear and organized means of escape. Exit diagrams, crucial aids in emergency preparedness, can typically be found in strategic locations throughout a workplace. These diagrams offer detailed visual representations of the layout of the building, highlighting the specific exit routes, evacuation paths, and the location of emergency exits. Frequently placed near entrances, hallways, and common areas, these diagrams serve as informative guides, empowering individuals to make informed and quick decisions during evacuation procedures.